Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to set up a WordPress website. The prerequisite of this particular video is to buy a domain name first and then buy a hosting service. So we have already performed these steps in our earlier videos. The link is added in the description. Then the requirement was to add domain over the hosting service and also change the domain name server based upon the hosting provider. Perform these steps, we have to open up both our hosting provider. In our use case, it is SiteGround, and also you open up the DNS management of our domain provider, which in our use case was GoDaddy, and then change the name server as per the setup of hosting. Both of these operations are also performed in our earlier video. We have also added the link in the description. The next step is to install WordPress from CPanel. A CPanel, that also stands for control panel, is provided by every hosting services. So we'll see how exactly you can do that. So once we are done with the installation of the website and changing the domain name service, we'll see this particular page on our hosting provider, and we'll go to the site tools of my particular website. So this use case, it is mentor.com, and then we'll see what all options we do have. So SiteGround provides multiple options, from installing WordPress to connecting SSL, that is for the encryption, and enabling HTTPS services. Also, it provides the option to create email that can be used for as a admin email or some other email of the company. Okay, fine. So we'll see the app installer, and it provides almost all famous tools that can be installed. So we'll choose WordPress. The domain name remains the same. The installation path, whatever is default, we'll leave that. So in this particular use case, I will just call it as uh, admin, and since it is an email ID, I will just call it admin at mttr.com. Password will be welcome at 123. Email will have the same one, and it also provides an option to add add-ons, and this is the one where multiple plugins are automatically added, so not an issue for us. And then we'll start the installation. So it takes some time to install WordPress package on your server, and it will take a few minutes for that. Perfect. So the WordPress is already installed. So the next step was to create admin access and login. The same we have done also. The admin access is given to admin at mentor.com, and the password is welcome at 123. So if you have changed the domain name server recently, then it takes around 24 to 48 hours to reflect. It means there will be no connection between your hosting and your domain name until this time is spent. And what it actually does in background is like your hosting services and domain name server have some registration process, and that goes on, and it takes 24 to 48 hours to reflect. So anyhow, once you are done with this process, you need to click here, login, and it will take you to the login page, which might start as of now. So we'll see what all options we do have. So process to start now. You can choose a theme for your website. You can choose some of the plugins for your website, and yeah, that's it. So those themes and those plugins will be installed with the help of this starter kit. Perfect. So your site is ready, and we'll go to dashboard. So this is how your admin portal looks for any website. So I'll try to access my website, and I see a theme is already installed. and looks beautiful. So yeah, that's it. We'll also be creating multiple projects based upon the WordPress installations, and those videos will be shared over our different platform, that is myprojectideas.com. So we'll add the links whenever it is ready. Thanks a lot.